It's 35.
Your Lordship, on the last date of hearing, I had submitted that since in substance the dispute pertains to the operational framework of the society, the registrar will have the jurisdiction to adjudicate the matter and only then will the civil suit be maintainable. Your Lordship, your Lordship had raised a very specific question that in cases where the relief sought is for invalidation of a document, can this approach be adopted? Your Lordship, there is a judgment of the Supreme Court of the year 2019, Your Lordship.
2019.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, there also the relief sought was for invalidation of the gift deed. But Your Lordship, the Supreme Court held that since in substance the dispute pertains to the khatidari rights, until and unless the revenue court does not adjudicate upon the khatidari rights, the civil suit would not be maintained.
Right.
The khatidari rights, Your Lordship, under the Tenancy Act.
यहाँ तो इसी लॉ का बताइए.
Yes, Your Lordship, since the relief sought is for invalidation of a document, but Your Lordship, the Supreme Court held that you have to look into the substance of the matter. Only when in the substance of the matter is adjudicated can you file a civil suit, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, may kindly have para 4 of this judgment, Your Lordship. This lays down the facts of the matter, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship has it, may I read?
इसी पॉइंट इसी पे बताइए, इसी एक्ट के संबंध में लॉ बताइए, दूसरा मत बताइए.
Your Lordship, with respect to this act, Your Lordship,
इधर उधर नहीं, बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट ही बताइए, बिल्कुल.
Your Lordship, but the premise remains the same until and unless you adjudicate the substance of the matter.
ये सारी बातें वहां उठाइए, फिर दावे में दावा खारिज हो जाएगा. Suppose until unless that pointed decided,
yes,
required to be decided by the certain authority or registrar, the court cannot pass any decree.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
But that does not mean that suit is not maintainable. Suit has to be dismissed.
Your Lordship, that is what was laid down with the Supreme Court. But Your Lordship, in that case, I'm humbly pressing that since my order is on merits without even looking into section 32.
Once there are direct judgments on this point that under that act, that registrar cannot declare the sale deed null and void.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There are direct judgments of our High Court or Supreme Court.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Then how we can entertain this civil revision for the purpose of rejecting the plaint in which the relief of declaring the sale deed.
Your Lordship, my submission is not that the registrar will declare the sale deed as null and void. My submission is that the only contention in the plaint is that the rules of the society and the MP Society Registry Current Act have not been followed. Until and unless the registrar decides this, the civil suit would not be maintainable. Only when the registrar says that the rules of the society and the
You go there before the civil court and apprise the civil court with that provision, so that civil court in the meantime will stay the proceedings. Until unless this is decided, this court cannot proceed further. Don't pray for rejection of plaint.
Indeed, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in that case, I only have one prayer. Your Lordship, my impugned order is on merits. Section 32 and 21 of the MP Society Registry Current Act, in which my matter falls, Your Lordship, that has not even been mentioned in the order. Your Lordship, in that case, I may only be allowed to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file afresh, and my matter be at least decided on merits under the.
Which fresh?
Your Lordship,
What do you want to file afresh?
Your Lordship, since my matter falls.
Same application, I cannot permit you.
Your Lordship, inadvertently, I had filed my application under the MP Society MP Cooperative Society Act, and hence, but Your Lordship, the trial court had observed that my matter falls under the MP Society Registry Current Act. Then they went on to follow. Then
appropriate application word लिख देते हैं.
Yes, Your Lordship, if that liberty may be granted to me.
The counsel for the petition applicants prays for withdrawal of the civil division with the liberty to file appropriate application before the civil court, before the trial court.
Your Lordship, a fresh application under the correct provision of the Act.
Appropriate application. Fresh appropriate application कर दीजिए.
Under the correct provision, Your Lordship.
Appropriate में सब आ जाता पूरा.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
Being reasonable is accepted and this civil division is permitted to be withdrawn and is hereby disposed of with the forcible liberty.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.